In this video, we will learn 7 interesting things about IP address. First, you must have an active IP address to be online. IP version 6 or Internal Protocol version 6 is the replacement for IP version 4. And IP version 6 address look like this. And an IP version addresses look like this. Second, IP addresses are assigned to computer, not people. Whoever you interacted with online could discover your IP address. Your IP address never reveals your name or actual physical location. You can hide your actual IP address. Someone can get a general idea of where you are when you are online. A website can monitor online behavior through online visits and viewing. Only an internet service provider (ISP) knows the real name and home address that corresponds to an IP address. 6. Your IP address and other information could lead someone to you. A VPN is the best and easiest way to hide your IP address. And last, 7. If your IP address has changed, that means your IP is dynamic. If it has not changed, that means you may have a static IP. Allocation of your IP may vary depending on your internet provider. If you turn off your computer and your router Wi-Fi and your IP has not changed, when you come back, there is a good chance your IP is static fixed. Even if having a static IP is not recommended anymore, it may be useful if you host websites or game services on your computer. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.